Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. In this one we will be discussing about how to copy your LinkedIn profile link. Now before we start, I would like to invite to the link in the description below to get your done for you LinkedIn profile that will transform your account into an income generating asset. You can upgrade your career and attract global opportunities. Now coming back onto the video, now what you need to do is simply click on your name on your LinkedIn. As you can see on the top left side of your screen, currently I'm going to be heading over to my profile from where basically you can make the changes. In here you can see this public profile and URL. So this is the link that we need. You can copy it from here as well. Also, if you want to customize it, you can click on this pencil icon and customize it accordingly. You can see you get the option, and once you copy this, let's just try if it is working. I'm going to be heading over to a completely new tab in private. I'm going to be pasting my account link in here and click enter. You will be able to see now we are directed toward our profile, and it is quite simple. So that's how you can share your profile link and copy it. I hope this process was easy and helpful. And before we end this video, do not forget to click the link in the description below to get your done for you LinkedIn profile. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you liked the video, you can simply subscribe to our channel, share with your friends, and thank you so much for watching.